Marine Corps Reserve presents that young man with a horn, Ray Anthony and his orchestra. Big band music at its best. Featuring ballads by our guest vocalists, Tommy Mercer and Peggy King. Okay, dancers, grab your partners, for Mr. Anthony is about to start the festivities. Here we go, cat dancing.
Gonna find you. Told you I'd find you. Come on out.
What are you, deaf? No shit. She says it's in the blood. His family has been taking this for a long time now. Centuries.
Ooh.
And I know what you are. You don't fool me. One day, they're gonna come for you.